Hey guys, what's up? So it is Sunday. I decided to film a little today just because I am gonna be filming regardless today, but that's basically it for now. But I did some grocery shopping this morning and I decided, of course, to go into the cosmetics section, and of course every time I go there I somehow always buy something, which is ridiculous. But the first thing, basically, I'll show you guys a little haul of what I bought. But also I kind of bought myself a new tripod. I'll show you guys how it looks. It's basically this thing right here. It's a Manfrotto tripod. It's like this. It's pretty sweet, honestly, compared to all my other tripods. This one is probably the best one. So basically, some of the things that I bought was this hand cream, some soft, ultra soft hand cream, rapid absorption, and of course, because it's the winter time, my hands do get pretty dry, and I have an obsession with lotions, period, so that's another story. Okay, so I also bought the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is in Shell Beige 002. I bought this. This is probably one of my favorite drugstore foundations ever. It's literally like the best foundation, so I bought it because it was on sale. I also bought this Wet n Wild foundation. It's in Shell Ivory, and I heard some good stuff about this foundation, and it was only $5.99, so I figured, why the hell not? I'm gonna try it out, see what it's about. And of course, I bought this thing. It was a limited edition, and I swear as soon as it says limited edition, I'm like, I need to have it because it's limited edition. Who knows when you're not gonna have it. So it's L'Oreal Infallible Galaxy Stick. It's actually pretty sick. It's a multi-use illuminating stick, and it was the last one. That's basically how it looks. That's how it looks in the light. It kind of is that purple highlight. It's pretty sweet. I mean, you guys know I have an obsession with highlighters, so I saw it was the last one and I had to have it. I feel like I have no energy today, so I'm gonna get a coffee. So I just did my makeup for a video that I will be filming in a couple minutes. My face is itchy because the weather is dry outside, and I hate wearing makeup when my face is just super itchy. I'm not your typical girly girl, let's just say that. But anyways, I might as well kind of give you guys some, like, a look at my setup. Not my setup, but basically, whatever, I'll show you guys. Here's my mirror that I always use. I talked about this mirror in probably one of my favorites videos, and I love it because the LED light, these mirrors are so popular. I bought this mirror on Amazon. Don't really remember how much it is anymore. Probably less than 30 bucks, I want to say. I have my huge little, I don't know where I got this, but all of the makeup brushes that I use. Some of these I don't use, but I mean, some of them I do use, like this one. And this is my container of makeup that I always use. So I just kind of like put this container of makeup in one of the drawers there. I know I should be cleaning this out more often. It is a huge mess. I don't think I ever cleaned this out, but this is basically products that I use all the time. This is the Smashbox lip primer that I always use. This, I just kind of found it laying around my place, so I'm going to try this out. I haven't used this yet, but I always use this primer just because this is the only primer that I have. But now that I have this, this is the Tarte, what is this called? Shape Tape. This is probably one of my favorites. This is another one that I used to use. I do like this, but I would rather prefer the Tarte one. This is probably one of my all-time favorite highlighters that I use. And also this is this one right here. This is my all-time favorite bronzer, the Hourglass. This is in Ambient. So I like adore this one. So this is my all-time favorite bronzer. I think it's just because it has a hint of sparkle too. And I also use this brow pencil. This is the NYX Micro brow pencil. So that's mostly what I use. Everything else is just a mess. I need to clean it. My hands are fucking dirty now. So yeah, let's get to filming, I guess. What's up? I just finished filming. I haven't really been doing much today. Well, I mean, I have. I just been filming, but it's been a long day and I feel like I'm already tired. Funny how that works. I'm gonna have to edit this vlog today so I could get it up for you guys tomorrow. And I think that's gonna be it. I don't think I'm gonna be filming later on just because I kind of want to relax and chill. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.